very good evening. So, the topic which I have chosen for today's discussion is sex education. Though this topic is a part of the MH syllabus, but I thought that sex education is a topic that should be known to everybody, right from the adolescent stage or even the children's, you can say the high school children's or the children who are growing up should at least know about the meaning of sex education and what sex education deals with. So therefore today's topic of discussion is sex education. Now, coming to the topic, that is sex education, it is seen that sex education is still considered a taboo in our country, and the teachers, the students, even the parents are hesitant to talk about it, and that too with their children or with their students is still a distant dream, you can say. But that should not be, because if we don't discuss about sex education, if we don't talk about the sex literacy, what will happen is that our children or the upcoming generations, they will have a misconception and the curiosity in their mind will rise, which might lead them to go in a different kind of direction. So therefore talking about sex education, giving them the proper information about sex education is important for the teachers as well as for the parents. Therefore I have chose this topic so that I can at least make the students or make my friends, the young friends, aware of sex education. So if we go into the definition, or if we look into the definition of sex education, we say that sex education is a broad term, or you can say that it is a holistic kind of the education that will give information about the sexual anatomy, about the sexual behavior, sexuality, and about you can say that the bodily changes or the bodily development that goes in the individual's body. So sex education is a kind of education that will provide information, or that will provide knowledge regarding the physiological changes or the bodily changes, and also about the sexuality that goes on in the body of an individual. So that is what sex education is all about, if we see the definition of the sex education, or if we see the meaning of sex education. So it's very simple. Sex education, we all know that what is education. Education means gaining the knowledge, or providing the knowledge to one another. That is education. Now sex education is again very simple. It will give you the awareness, or it will give you about the knowledge or about the information about the sexuality or the sexual relationships, about the bodily changes that happens in our body. So that is sex education. Now why sex education is considered as a topic that we should all talk into it, or we should have a discussion on sex education? Because earlier, if we see that sex education was not discussed openly, though it's still considered a taboo. But nowadays we see that schools are taking initiative, the colleges are taking initiative, the teachers are coming out and they're discussing with their students, even the parents are discussing, and they are giving proper information to students. Now what is the purpose behind sex education? Firstly, if we see that sex education will teach the children about the bodily changes that happens or that goes at a time in our body. So this will make them aware of their own body, as well as also about the opposite sex body. So every individual, be it male or female, that is men or women, will know about the changes that goes on in their body. So you can say that they will know about the puberty, or what happens after the puberty, what goes on, what kind of changes happens. So that is one benefit, you can say, or one purpose that sex education will provide. Secondly, you will see that sex education will make the children aware, or make the adolescents aware about the STDs, that is the sexually transmitted diseases. What happens when a person gets STDs, or what is the consequences of STDs and all. And it will also make the children know about the consequence of unplanned pregnancies and all. So this is an overall kind of benefits or some purposes that sex education as a education tries to give to the children. So it is a kind of the holistic education, because not only in the physiological changes, but also in the emotional changes, because so many changes happens in our body as we pass through those days. So it will not only give you about the physiological changes, but the mental changes or the emotional changes that happens in the body. And moreover, sex education will also make the individual accept their own kind of changes. That is, it will teach about the self acceptance, and accepting their own self will also make them take the responsibility. That is, self acceptance and also taking the responsibility of their own self. So this is some you can say some purposes or some need that sex education as a subject tries to give or tries to provide to the students. Now, why I have chosen sex education is that we what happened, we are all busy. I mean, if you're talking about adolescents or if you're talking about the children, they're busy in their academic life. They are studying different kind of the subjects, and in doing so, topics like sex education, sex literacy, they are left behind, and they are not taken seriously. But since we know that India is a populated state, so what happens is that earlier, nowadays, we see that people are aware, people know, they are trying to gain information. But earlier, what happened, due to this lack of information, people were not talking it openly, people were not discussing about sex education, sex literacy. Sex literacy is again about the advancement. Sex literacy is about the knowing of the sexual education. So what happened earlier, sex literacy, sex education was not discussed. So in that period, there were so many things that was not given importance. But nowadays, sex education as a topic is coming into discussion. People are discussing it, people are knowing it. So sex education is an important subject, and everyone must be aware of sex education. They must know the pros and cons of sex education. So sex education, again I'm repeating it, sex education is a term or is a kind of the education that will provide the sexual anatomy, the sexual behavior, and will give information regarding the bodily changes or the sexuality. And it will also help the young minds or the young children to know about the skills, and to help them in building the skills in maintaining the sexual relationships. And it will also make them aware of what can happen if we are not aware of STDs, if we are not aware of the unplanned pregnancies, and so on. So children must know about sex education. Teachers, parents, and everyone in the society should think this as an important kind of the topic and must discuss. And definitely, yes, we must provide the correct information to our children so that they are not misled and they get the right and the proper kind of the information. Thank you.